Welcome back to American Vehicles, folks. Pickup trucks are built to be tough, practical, and dependable, but some go far beyond that. In this video, we're taking a closer look at 10 of the rarest pickup trucks ever made. From luxury failures to high-performance legends, these trucks prove that rarity often comes from taking risks. Over the years, a handful of trucks have stood out not just for what they could do, but for how unusual, rare, or ahead of their time they were. Some were bold experiments, others were limited production performance machines, and a few simply didn't fit the market they were built for. Let's get started. Dodge Ram SRT-10, 2004 through 2006. The Dodge Ram SRT-10 is one of the most outrageous pickup trucks ever built, a full-size truck powered by a supercar heart. Produced between 2004 and 2006, this machine was Dodge's bold attempt to redefine what a pickup could be. Under the hood sits an 8.3-liter V10 engine, borrowed directly from the Dodge Viper. Producing over 500 horsepower, it transformed a traditional work truck into a record-breaking performance machine. In fact, the SRT-10 held the Guinness World Record as the fastest production pickup truck at the time. Despite its extreme performance, production remained relatively limited. A total of 10,046 units were built across its 3-year run. What makes this truck especially interesting is how unapologetically excessive it is. A 6-speed manual transmission, massive torque, and rear-wheel drive made it both thrilling and difficult to tame, something rarely seen in trucks of its era. Today, the Ram SRT-10 has become a collector's piece. Clean examples typically sell between $40,000 and $80,000, with rare editions climbing higher. It's not just rare, it's unforgettable. A pickup truck that dared to act like a supercar. GMC Cyclone, 1991. In 1991, GMC quietly released what would become one of the most legendary performance trucks ever built, the GMC Cyclone. At first glance, it looked like a compact pickup, but under the hood was a 4.3-liter turbocharged V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower and 350 pounds-per-foot of torque. Combined with all-wheel drive, it delivered astonishing performance for its time. The numbers tell the story. The Cyclone could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles an hour in under 5 seconds, faster than any sports car of the era, including Ferraris. Production was extremely limited. Only 2,995 units were built in 1991, making it one of the rarest American performance trucks ever produced. What makes the Cyclone special is not just its rarity, but its engineering. A turbocharged setup, advanced for its time, combined with AWD traction made it brutally effective in real-world performance. Today, well-preserved examples typically fetch between $30,000 and $70,000, depending on condition. The Cyclone wasn't just ahead of its time, it rewrote the rules. Dodge Shelby Dakota, 1989. The Dodge Shelby Dakota represents a unique moment in automotive history, the only pickup truck ever developed by Carroll Shelby. Produced for just 1 year, 1989, this truck blended Shelby performance DNA with Dodge's mid-sized Dakota platform. Under the hood sits a 5.2-liter V8 engine, replacing the standard V6. It produced around 175 horsepower and delivered a noticeable performance upgrade over the base model. Production numbers were extremely low, with only 1,500 units built, instantly making it a rare collector's item. What makes the Shelby Dakota special isn't just the numbers, it's the story. This was Shelby's return to rear-wheel drive performance vehicles after years away, and his first ever production pickup truck. Visually, it featured unique decals, wheels, and interior touches, giving it a distinct identity compared to standard Dakotas. Today, these trucks typically sell for $20,000 to $40,000, with pristine examples commanding more. It's a rare mix of muscle car heritage and pickup practicality, something you won't find anywhere else. Dodge Lil Red Express, 1978 and 1979. The Dodge Lil Red Express is one of the most iconic and unexpected performance trucks of the late 1970s. Produced between 1978 and 1979, this truck arrived during a time when muscle cars were fading due to emissions regulations. Dodge found a loophole, classifying the truck differently, allowing it to retain strong performance. Under the hood sits a 5.9-liter or 360 cubic inch V8 engine, tuned with police-spec components to produce impressive power for the era. The result? It became one of the fastest American vehicles available at the time. Production reached 7,306 units, making it relatively limited, especially considering how few remain in original condition today. Its signature look, bright red paint, gold accents, and vertical exhaust stacks made it instantly recognizable. Today, values typically range between $25,000 and $60,000 depending on condition. The Lil Red Express proves that even in the darkest era of performance, creativity could still deliver something special. Lincoln Blackwood, 2002. The Lincoln Blackwood is one of the rarest luxury pickup trucks ever built, and one of the shortest lived. Produced for just a single model year in 2002, Lincoln attempted to bring full luxury into the pickup world. The result was bold, unusual, and ultimately unsuccessful. Under the hood, the Blackwood featured a 5.4-liter V8 engine, producing around 300 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Production numbers tell the real story. Only 3,356 units were ever built before the model was discontinued. What made the Blackwood unique was its approach to luxury. The bed wasn't even a traditional truck bed. It was carpeted, lined with stainless steel, and covered with a powered tonneau lid. It sacrificed practicality entirely in favor of style and exclusivity. However, the lack of four-wheel drive and limited utility made it impractical for most buyers. Today, the Blackwood has become a rare collector's curiosity, with values typically ranging between $10,000 and $25,000. It wasn't a success, but it remains one of the boldest pickup experiments ever attempted. Ford SVT Lightning, 1999 through 2004. The Ford SVT Lightning represents one of the most successful performance pickup trucks ever built. Produced from 1999 to 2004 in its second generation, the Lightning was developed by Ford's special vehicle team with one goal: speed. At its core is a supercharged 5.4-liter V8 engine, producing up to 380 horsepower and 450 pounds per foot of torque. This made it one of the fastest production trucks of its time, capable of rivaling sports cars in straight-line performance. Ford produced approximately 28,124 units during this generation. While not as limited as others on this list, many have been heavily modified or lost over time, making clean, original examples increasingly rare. The Lightning stood out for its lowered suspension, aggressive styling, and refined performance engineering, making it more than just a straight-line machine. Today, well-kept examples typically sell between $25,000 and $50,000, with low-mileage trucks commanding significantly more. It's a perfect balance of usability and performance, a true modern classic. Chevrolet Blazer Chalet, 1976-1977. The Chevrolet Blazer Chalet is one of the most unusual pickups ever created, a hybrid between a truck and a fully functional camper. Produced between 1976 and 1977, the Chalet was developed in partnership with Chinook, a company known for compact RV conversions. Under the hood, it typically featured a range of V8 engines, including the popular 5.7-liter or 350 cubic inch V8. Production numbers were extremely limited, with estimates suggesting around 1,800 units were built. What makes the Chalet truly special is its design. The rear section of the truck was replaced with a fully integrated camper unit, complete with a bed, seating area, and even basic cooking facilities. It was essentially a mobile home disguised as a pickup truck. Because of its niche appeal and limited production, surviving examples are rare today. When they do appear at auction, values typically range between $20,000 and $50,000 depending on condition and originality. The Blazer Chalet isn't just rare, it's a snapshot of a time when automotive creativity had no limits. Jeep J10 Honcho, 1976 through 1983. The Jeep J10 Honcho is a truck that perfectly represents the bold styling of late 1970s America. Produced as a special trim package between 1976 and 1983, the Honcho stood out with its aggressive graphics, wide track stance, and off-road capability. Under the hood, it was commonly equipped with powerful AMC V8 engines, including the 5.9-liter, 360 cubic inch V8. Exact production numbers are unclear, but the Honcho package was produced in relatively low volumes, making surviving examples rare today. What made the Honcho unique wasn't just performance, it was personality. Bright decals, flared fenders, and rugged construction made it instantly recognizable. Built on Jeep's proven full-size truck platform, it was designed for both off-road capability and heavy-duty use. Today, values vary widely, but clean examples typically sell between $20,000 and $60,000, with restored trucks reaching higher. The J10 Honcho isn't just rare, it's a symbol of an era where trucks had bold identity and attitude. Chevrolet Cameo Carrier, 1955 through 1958. The Chevrolet Cameo Carrier is widely considered one of the first pickup trucks designed with style as a priority, not just utility. Introduced in 1955 and produced until 1958, the Cameo broke away from traditional work truck design. At a time when most pickups had exposed step sides and purely functional bodies, Chevrolet introduced a smooth, car-like exterior using fiberglass bed panels. Under the hood, the Cameo was available with Chevrolet's small block V8 engines, including the 265 cubic inch V8 at launch, later upgraded to the 283 cubic inch V8. These engines offered solid performance and helped position the truck as more than just a work vehicle. Production numbers were relatively low, with approximately 10,320 units built across all years. What makes the Cameo rare today is its role as a design pioneer. It laid the groundwork for modern pickups that blend utility with comfort and style, something we now take for granted. Because of its historical importance and limited production, values have increased significantly. Well-restored examples can sell for $40,000 to over $100,000. The Cameo wasn't just a truck, it was the beginning of a new idea. Jeep Comanche, 1986 through 1992. At number 1 sits a truck that was both innovative and misunderstood, the Jeep Comanche. Produced between 1986 and 1992, the Comanche was based on the Jeep Cherokee platform, but introduced something highly unusual for a pickup: unibody construction. Unlike traditional trucks that used body-on-frame design, the Comanche combined the cab and body into a single structure. This made it lighter, more rigid, and improved ride quality, but it also made it different from what truck buyers expected. Under the hood, it offered several engine options, including the legendary 4.0-liter inline-six, known for its durability and long lifespan. The Comanche also offered strong off-road capability, thanks to its Jeep heritage, making it both practical and versatile. Over its production run, Jeep produced approximately 190,446 units. While that may seem like a large number, many have been heavily used, modified, or lost over time, leaving relatively few in original condition. It's estimated that only around 2,000 examples remain in factory specifications. Today, values vary significantly depending on condition. Most clean examples sell between $10,000 and $30,000. But rare, well-preserved original configurations have been known to reach up to $100,000. These trucks show that rarity isn't always about success. It's often about uniqueness, timing, and how many manage to survive. Some were built in small numbers, others disappeared because they didn't meet expectations, and a few became legends simply because they were so different. Today they represent a mix of innovation, bold ideas, and overlooked history. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these rare trucks surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories from the automotive world.